11 into the pool. As you can see, it was pretty dirty and was full of lots of debris. We had leaves, bugs, dirt, soot, debris, all sorts of stuff was just floating inside the pool, so it definitely needed a good scrub and vacuum. So to get the X11 in the pool, I just had to turn it on, set the mode, and drop it in. That was pretty much it, and it basically did all the work on its own. It basically walks around and systematically vacuums every single inch of your pool, starting with the walls, going in the V formation, and after that it goes to the bottom floor and gets the whole entire floor in a U pattern, and it basically covered every single nook and cranny and surface of my pool and did a great job. It only took about 2 hours or so to vacuum the entire pool, and after it was done, it was spotless. As you can see here, it was finishing up in the deep end, and my pool is about 6 feet deep. And after it was done, every single particle was picked up, everything was brushed, every surface looked pristine, and it was ready to go for a swim.